Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes. And in this particular video, I am going to discuss how you can use in to check multiple conditions in Python. Okay, so let me discuss this particular concept with one example. You know there are two things in any expression, mathematical expression. One is operator, another one is operand. See, plus, minus, division, multiplication, then power. These things are nothing but operator, and on which thing operator works are basically operand. Now I want to check whether a particular input string is operator or operand. Okay. So for that we have to write one code. Suppose. So what I will do, a equal to input. I will be taking one input in string. You know input function always return one string, right? Then if a equal to plus, okay, or a equal to minus, okay, or a equal to multiplication, or a equal to suppose division, or a equal to suppose remainder, okay, or a equal to suppose power operation. Okay, so if a takes any of these values, if any of the condition is satisfied, then print this is an operator. Okay, else print this is an operand. Okay, now let us run the code. Suppose I am giving 5, which is nothing but one operand. Let us check this is an operand. Okay, if I run again, suppose I am giving plus, I'll be getting this is an operator. Suppose I am running the code and I am giving minus, I'll be getting this is an operator, right? Now see how many conditions we have to check, this much. And see the code, we have to write more huge code for a particular condition checking. Instead of that, what we are doing, let us make one list. Okay, here in list we'll be putting all the operators, plus, minus, then multiplication, then power, then division, and then uh, modulo operation, and then suppose there are more operators like integer division, then XOR also we can say, then bitwise and I am giving, then bitwise or I am giving. Okay, so like this lots of things are in operators. So instead of this particular line, now we can write if a in L, right? I have already discussed that in can be used to check membership of a element in a list. So now if you execute if a in L, it will be checking all these values whether a equal to any of the values or not. If at least one condition is satisfied, that is if a is in the list, it will give true. Okay, that's all. So if I run suppose 5, this is an operand. If I run suppose plus, this is an operator. See, instead of writing a or one condition or another condition or another condition or another condition like that, a bigger condition, we are just simply writing in a list and then we are checking in. Okay, so in basically we can use for checking multiple conditions. Okay, very important concept. This will help you to decrease the size of or the number of lines you have to write in a particular code, and you should make one habit. This particular habit is a good habit for any programmer, that always try to write in a compact format and optimized code. Okay, because that will increase the readability of the code. Suppose you are making one practical project, you are writing the code and there is some testing department. If you write the code in a if you have 1,000 lines of code, which can be written in 500 lines of code also, so the 500 lines of code and if you are giving comments, then that will be highly readability will increase. for the testing engineers that will be easier, right? So all these things will help you to uh, become a good programmer, practice this kind of habits in programming. This is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.